to your dystopian future. I'm Zoe Farmingdale, here to help you make sure quarantine isn't borantine. Boringtine. Borantine. Borantine. Boranting. Boraning. Quarantine. Borantine. Quarantine. Borantine. Today's tip is one you know, and might have been avoiding, even in the olden days of human contact. Get physical. Fun fact, everyone watching this video has one thing in common. You have a body. Whether you're a professional athlete or aren't sure what a vertebra is or why there are so many of them, adding physical activity to your daily agenda is key, especially in times of increased stress or unprecedented global pandemics. Staying active has a laundry list of benefits. These include increased strength and flexibility and maintaining your cardiovascular health. That's your heart! Plus, exerting yourself during the day could lead to better sleeping at night and might serve as a helpful reset for those of us who are sleeping and waking at random in a world in which the construct of time has never felt more irrelevant. Putting in a workout boosts your metabolism and helps regulate your digestion, key in what future generations will one day refer to as the great toilet paper famine of 2020. Oh no. And of course, there's always weight loss. That is, if you're not already wasting away after your pantry supply has dwindled to the dregs of your impulse buys, leaving exclusively totally inedible combinations of food. Fusilli with syrup and relish, no thank you. But perhaps most importantly, exercise creates endorphins, and endorphins help you feel like life, though truly horrific, is still worth living. Wondering, is she telling me to go to the gym? No! Gyms are cesspools for germs and have been completely shut down by the government for the foreseeable future. But I am telling you, use your body. Maybe you've already got a routine, in which case you could turn this video off right now. But please, don't. Please don't. But if you're itching to get your heart pumping yet aren't quite sure how, fortunately, you've got plenty of time to investigate. Go ahead, try a live Zoom class with one of America's thousands of freshly unemployed fitness and dance instructors. And if nothing else, don't be afraid to start slow. Take a walk or do some stretches. Keep it simple, especially if you're having trouble motivating. And you are. Finally, just in case you're thinking, hold on now, Zoe, I did an Instagram push-up challenge and learned an entire TikTok dance. Isn't that enough? Just remember my roommate, Claude. He never got off the couch and now, look at him. What? Wait, you finished them? No, I told you those were my Doritos. No, I buy the purple bag. Why do you? So, whether you take up cardio, weightlifting, or mirror dancing to Cyndi Lauper using a hairbrush as a microphone, keep in mind, there's no one thing that works for everyone, and it might not be easy. Scratch that. Usually when you're starting out, it pretty much sucks. But if you can muscle through and create healthy habits, you'll be glad you did. The truth is, if you're an asshole to your body for long enough, eventually your body is going to be an asshole right back to you. So get moving, get active, and get physical. But don't get COVID-19. Remember, as individuals, it might not feel like much, but together, we're a quarantine.